how we can import this with the provided depth map. Welcome to the future of 3D creation, introducing Lumine AI, where text prompts come alive in breathtaking virtual worlds. Yes, it is true. Now you can generate 3D worlds with just simple text prompts. Link will be in the description. You can scroll down and they have done this interactive story modes. You can click on these and play any of these demos. So let's click on this one and try it. So after the loading, this is what it is. And we can click and just orbit around, nothing to do here. And to the power generator, click, and then it will take us to another room where we are orbiting around and activate the generator. Okay, so the generator is on and then click and it will take us to some other space. Okay, so we have two ways to go, either this way or this way. They have come up with this Instaverse app. Click on it and it will take us to the Instaverse app where we can generate 3D worlds with simple text prompts. Click on it and let it load for the PC version. Okay, so here we are. This is the 3D world generated with their app by their AI. So in order to generate, we must log in. We have few other options. Click on it. So basically what it generates a 360. They are generating a 360 map. Click on this and then see. And then we have few other options. Come over here, click on this, and we can drop in a character. Click on it. Then we can use the controls to walk around. Press space to jump. Run. Woohoo! Okay. Basically, we can increase the world size so the character will look tiny in this world. Escape, or we can reduce the world size, and then the character will have very little room to play around. Okay, let's log in and let's create something for a testing purpose. Okay, so click on this and you can also find generations of other users, what they have created. So let's type in and create something interesting. I'll type ancient jungle city on Mars planet surface, tall trees, and other planets floating. Let's select what type of the style of this going to be: realistic, anime, fantasy, and keep scrolling down. Let's select storybook and see what we get. So click on generate and wait for a few seconds or a minute. Okay, so the world, the 360 world is ready. This is what it has come up with. And click to see the full prompt. So this is the prompt that I entered. Style is storybook. So this is looking pretty interesting. So let's drop in a character and move him around. Okay, basically he won't be falling down. Okay, so this is pretty interesting, walking somewhere we don't know. So let's press escape. So this is pretty interesting job what they have done. So if we want to download, click on this button, the arrow downwards, click on it. So we can download this skybox texture, and we can also download this 3D mesh. Okay, so let's download this texture and take this into Blender. Okay, so this is the complete map. So let's download it, save as. All right, here I will delete everything and I will create a simple UV sphere. Okay, I can make it bigger. Okay, let's go to the shading tab. Click to create a new material. Click on this, press Ctrl C. So it will give us these three nodes. So I will load the texture. Okay, so zoom out. Let's go into the our layout and go to the material preview. Here it is. This is in our Blender. Pretty cool, huh? We can right click, click on Shades Node. Let's hide this. So this is pretty interesting what they have come up with. So make sure to go to this website and test out new creative ideas to generate a full 360 map. And now let's take a look at how we can import this with the provided depth map, how we can import this in Blender with the provided depth map and make use of it. So first, what we need to do is combine the actual map and the depth map side by side and save it as a PNG. After doing it, we need to install the add-on to import the depth map. Then come over here to this link will be provided and then click on this download raw file. Click this to download it and then come over to the Blender and click on edit preferences, and then you can click on install and locate the file, and after it is installed you can click on the check mark to enable it, import that map. So after you have the combined image saved and the add-on installed, so come over here to file, import, and then click on import depth map, and then click on it and locate the file where you have saved it. For a while it has generated this mesh, so I will delete this cube and this is what it has created. Let's turn on the material preview and there you go. So it has used the depth map and created this depth effect. Okay, so make sure that you combine the images in your favorite image editing app side by side and save it as a PNG, and you can import in Blender. Okay, create file new. And now let's take a look at another option. So go to file, import, click on import depth map. So click on the image and then you can also select the option 360 panorama. So click on it and it will generate a sphere map. Okay, so you can turn on the preview, material preview, and you can just move around in your 3D space with some depth effect. Okay, so I hope this was useful to you. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.